Good day, sir. I am Midship Mamin Delal Balientos. Today I will recite Rule 8 of Call Rigs. Rule 8. Action to avoid collision. Section A. Any action taken to avoid collision shall, if the circumstance of this case admit, be positive, made in ample time with due regard to the observance of good seamanship. Section B. Any alteration of course and or speed to avoid collision shall, if the circumstance of this case admit, be large enough to be readily apparent to another vessel observing visually or by radar. A section of small alteration of course and or speed shall be avoided. Section C. If there is sufficient sea room, alteration of course alone may be most effective action to avoid close quarter situation, provided that it made in good time is substitutional and does not result in another close quarters situation. Section D. Action taken to avoid collision with another vessel shall be such to result in passing to safe distance. The effectiveness of the action shall be carefully checked until the other vessel is finally posted and clear. Section E. If necessary to avoid collision or allow more time to access the situation, a vessel shall slacken her speed or take all away off by stopping or reversing her means of propulsion. Section 1. A vessel which by any of these rules is required not to be impede the passage of safety passage of another vessel shall be required by circumstance of case take early action to allow sufficient sea room for the safe passage of the other vessel. Section 2. A vessel required not to impede the passage or safe passage or another vessel is not relieved of this obligation if approaching the other vessel as to involve direct collision, and shall when taking action have fully regard to the action which may be required by rules of this part. Section 3. A vessel's passage which is not to be impeded remains fully obliged to comply with the rules of this part when the two vessels approaching one another so as to involve direct collision.